Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day today. So yeah, a lot of updates here need to be done from the charting perspective. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning here and get rid of these lines. Yes, they still do pertain to the chart, but in the spirit, from a presentation standpoint, of not wanting to have, a million lines all over the place, just want to get rid of a few of these. There we go. And the first update comes about based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that is where this area right here at 15 cents comes into play. For those of you that did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about it as a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be considered an area of support, where by no means am I saying the price is headed down there to test it, but if it does, yeah, then ideally speaking, you'd certainly like to see the price hold. Best case scenario, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look just absolutely powerful? If the price can now hold above 16 cents going forward, that would be the best case scenario. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below 16 cents that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. That would just be, the best case, situation. As far as the overall chart's concerned, just keep an eye on that purple line right there. Easiest way to look at that is as long as the price is up above that purple line, then bulls are in full health, bulls are in full control. However you can visualize that, because when you stop and think about it, that's the moving average. So that line's going to continue to move its way upwards. So what does the price need to do in order to stay above a line that's moving upwards? Well, the price itself needs to keep moving upwards, right? So therefore, kind of by default, if the price is up above a moving line that's moving upwards, well then, yeah, that it implies the price is in that nice, beautiful uptrend. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential next battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here. Always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. So let's see. Sorry about that. I had a few little technical issues, but we're back here. So next key level of resistance, right up there at about 0.16. We'll just call it 17 cents. That makes it easy enough. That's just coming from back here. You can see quite a bit of price congestion right around that 17-cent area. If the bulls can fight through there, then I definitely want to map out one more area, and that would be right here at, what is that? Slightly above 18 cents, but again, just to make it easy to remember, 18 cents. So 17 cents and then 18 cents, next two key battlegrounds. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows like it's been doing, chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.